Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be getting into this unit that was sent over from Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you so much to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video. When you first open it up, you can see she does come with a few goodies. Let's see what we got. They included a headband, some eyelashes, some hair clips, a wig cap, and of course, here's the unit. Ooh, really pretty. So this unit is 24 inches long. As you can see, it is a body wave texture and it is a closure wig. So this is how the hairline and the front of it looks. Just comes with a little bit of lace there for you to cut off. Inside, you can see the closure portion there. So it's pretty much like a stationary part. It has 2 combs on each side and 1 comb down bottom and adjustable straps. The hair feels really soft, really pretty, and it has like a good density to it too. This hair feels so soft and it's so pretty, just like this, straight out the pack. It is 24 inches long, so that's where she's falling on me. So this is what the waves are looking like with the hair straight out the pack. She is very pretty. You could definitely get away with wearing her like this. The part in space looks really good and I did nothing to it, so I love that. This one right here is giving me like easy breezy beautiful vibes. Like you could totally just go like this. So I'm just showing you right now what it looks like straight out the pack in its natural body wave texture, unaltered, because I am about to go in and add some curls. So first I'm going to take this Cantu Thermal Shield Heat Protectant. This is my favorite heat protectant spray to use because it smells so good. And of course this is human hair, so I want to protect it. Just going to spray this all over, all throughout. Then I'm just going to brush it through. And honestly, she still looks really good even after being all brushed out. It's the density for me. Like this hair is so thick. Probably gonna take me a minute to curl it, but that's okay.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, so I am back. I'm ready to talk all about this hair from Beauty Forever, which I absolutely love. So once again, I have a closure body wave unit. Mine is 24 inches long, and this is where she's falling on me after she has been curled and everything. About the same as when she was in the body wave texture. I've added some curls to her, and I absolutely love this unit. I have no cons at all, so we can just get that out the way. It's no cons. The unit feels so soft. It feels like really great quality hair. I've gotten no tangles at all, hardly any shedding. It's just a dream. Like, my hands can just glide straight through. So pretty. And I think my favorite thing of all about the unit is the density. This is not a thin unit, okay? She got some weight to her. She got some, like, sis is thick, okay? And I absolutely love it. I did not go in and touch up that part in space with anything. That's just how it came. I really love closure units because they're so simple, so easy, and beginner friendly. So if you're new to like installing your own wigs, then a closure unit is definitely the way to go. Of course, you can go in and like plug and tweeze and do all of that to make the unit look even more natural and give it that like flawless hairline in the front. I did not do that, but the Hearts and Cake 90 and Natural Joy, they are two who really go in and like they get that hairline all the way together. Saw Life too. All right, so those are just a few off the top of my head. There's so many great people who do that, but if you're into like really customizing your unit, then check out those channels. Me, I'm a lazy wig wearer. I like to plop it on and style it and go on with my day. All right, and I absolutely love these curls. Like, I did that. I feel like I really did that with the curl wand. Okay, I be wanding, all right? And I did that with the curl wand today. Love how these came out. It's just truly an overall 10, and I have nothing bad to say. Thank you so much to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending this unit over to me for review. I truly do appreciate it. If you are interested in picking up this unit, of course, I will have all the details for you in the description box below, so be sure to click that link. There should also be a coupon code down there for you to use as well to save a few extra coins, all right? I thank you so much for watching and for making it to the end of this video. Please let me know, what do you think of this unit down in the comment section? You know I love to talk back to y'all in the comments, so leave me one down below. Let me know how you're feeling her. I really do appreciate you watching, and I will catch you later.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.